Hello ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, this is Rudy here with your yacht service, and it is March. That means snow is melting, or at least we are getting there. As you can see, we still have plenty of snow here, but it is warm, so that means snow on the roofs is melting and it needs to go somewhere, that water, right? So the thing is, with all the ice sitting in the eaves troughs plugging up the downspouts, most times it just drips over the track of the eaves troughs and down on the concrete, and then overnight it freezes up and causes some really big nasty patches of ice, causing, well, hopefully not, but anyways, you know what I'm talking about, right? We don't want to have a slip and fall here on one of those freeze overs from a run of ice and then dripping downspouts. So I'm going to show you an easy way to prevent this from happening. And if you do have some ice already, put some ice melt down or some gravel so you get some traction and can break it up. And then I'm going to show you right here what to do on how not to get ice anymore. All right, so we have dripping eaves trough right here. This downspout right here is all plugged up. It's all iced up. So the water, most of the snow has gone. There's still some sitting in the corner here, so that has to go somewhere. That water dripping down is basically coming down here. That's the lowest part of the track where the downspout is, so it's gonna drip over. And we had a big chunk here yesterday. I did remove some of it already, but you can see, like, from all this ice around the downspout here, it's still flooding over to the sidewalk here. You may still have to put some ice melt down or leave it there, because there's still some run of water going down the slope. But what you can do to prevent further ice buildup on this patch here is to put a bucket just where it drips, so it drips right into the bucket. And then of course you got to keep an eye on the bucket and toss the water out once it gets high, so you don't have an overflowing bucket and then causing more ice, right? So that's one of the easiest ways on how to prevent from ice buildup on dripping downspouts in the springtime. This is Rudy here with your yacht service. Thanks again for watching. I hope this was a helpful tip for how to keep ice forming on concrete when you have ice buildup in your eaves troughs and downspouts and the water is dripping down on the concrete. So this bucket will catch all the droplets and prevent further ice patches, so you're safe and sound on your own property in the springtime and can look forward to whenever it actually does get spring here. If you have any other questions, please leave us a message, 780-218-8134, or simply write us an email, contact@euroyachtservice.com, or check out our website, euroyachtservice.com. This is Rudy here, and talk to you next time. Bye. Happy spring.